guys, this video is going to be a simple open box and display of power strips with surge protection, 5-foot extension cord. It comes with multiple outlets. It brings USB ports and 2 Type-C ports. I ordered this from Amazon for $15. I recently ran out of space for my charger, so I ordered this to fix that issue. It's a simple purchase, but very necessary. Anyways, this is the product and all that comes in the box. I am not promoting, this is just something I got for myself, and I am sharing in case you are looking at the same item and want to see how it looks up close. Okay, so it does not look so great here. If you are someone who likes neatness, maybe this is not the product for you. That's all, folks. See you on the next video. Please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.